everyone! Welcome to my channel! For today's video, we're going to the beach and we're going to our favorite resort in Samal, the Club Samal Resort. Every 3 months ata kami bumabalik because we love that place so much. Also, my dad's birthday today, so medyo exciting siya na araw. Let's see!
I was halfway up on the wings of a fantasy, looking out for love, didn't know what was good for me. I stay out every night and live it up, live it up, live it up, live it up now, baby. But nothing feels the same. I'd rather be with you. Then I look into his eyes and I realize I'd rather be with you.
Fresh flights.
There's nobody else. I'd rather be with you. I'd rather be with you. Filling days with distractions, only a waste of time. No one can compare. Only you make me come alive. You're the one I need. So give it up, give it up, give it up, give it up now, baby. You only have to say I'd rather be with you. Then I look into his eyes and I realize I'd rather be with you. Though I try to trick myself, there's nobody else. I'd rather be with you. I'd rather be with you. No more fighting.
Andito na tayo sa room and nag-ready na ako para mag-swimming. It's... anong oras na ba? I think mag-11 pa. So, sobrang init talaga. Even though hindi naman talaga like ganito kainit, important pa rin mag-sunscreen. Para hindi ma-damage yung skin natin. I really love this sunblock kasi spray siya and madali siya i-blend sa balat. Ayaw natin magka-sunburn. So, importante talaga ang sunscreen. Very important. The legs. The chest. The neck. Sa face, hindi na kailangan kasi nag-sunscreen ako ng umaga. Halata naman na love ko tong sunscreen na to kasi kita niyo paubos na siya. And the third bottle ko na ata to. Yan. Yung pinaka-important talaga is yung back. Diyan yung sobrang grabe mag-sunburn. And yung shoulders. Kahit gusto niyo umitim, important talaga yung sunscreen. Para hindi dry and healthy yung pagka-tan niya. So, yun lang naman yung kailangan kong gawin dito sa taas. Magpalit and mag-sunblock. So, ready na akong mag-alone time sa baba. Let's go! One last thing, magka-cover up ako. Kasi nasa 2nd floor pala kami and need ko pang bumaba. So, I'm just gonna find the perfect spot para mag-muni and mag-alone time. Tingnan nyo, it's so nice here, guys. Okay, I think gusto ko dito sa center para yan yung view ko. Okay, so here or here? Okay, I think here.
How can I say what I'm feeling if I don't know how to move? How can I say what I believe in if I only believe in you? I travel many roads, and I know what road to choose. Now my world is never changing. There's anything I can do, 'cause I found you. I found you. 'Cause I found you. I found you.
The water is calling, so let's go for a dip. Naghahanap ulit ako ng spot, ng perfect spot para mag-swimming. I mean, perfect naman kahit saan na spot dito. Pero, of course, gusto ko yung the best. So, dito na lang sa gitna.
How can I say what I'm feeling if I don't know how to move? How can I say what I believe in if I only believe in you? I travel many roads, and I know what road to choose. Now my world is never changing. There's anything I can do, 'cause I found you. I found you. 'Cause I found you. I found you. 'Cause I found you. 'Cause I found you. I found you.
Doon tayo dumaan kanina. May isang stairs din dito. So, dito na naman tayo dadaan. Ito pala yung view sa labas ng room namin, guys. So, andito na ako ulit sa room and mag-shower lang ako. Tapos na akong mag-shower, guys. And nagmumuni-muni lang muna ako dito kasi nag-ready pa yung cousin ko. Kasi mag-picture-picture kami sa baba. Dito na lang muna ako sa balcony. Pero look at the weather. It's raining. Babagyo ata eh. It's still 3 p.m. Pero parang na siyang 5. Swim ka na, ma?
Yes.
Harap. Fit check.
For attention in the
This is for the Victorials.
all caught up in emotions. Got a sweet tooth for me, ain't no talking. Make you feel a way about it, 'cause I give you a rush every time we touch. Ooh, you can't get enough, 'cause my love is just like candy.
With a birthday boy. Happy birthday, Papa.
Candy. Candy. You know my love is just like candy. So addicted to the way that I'm making you feel. I make you listen. Your friends say that you acting different. I don't blame 'em. I got you tripped.
yung malalaki yung cake mo dati, red velvet.
Candy. You know my love tastes just like candy. Candy.
Hey guys! So, andito na ulit ako sa room. I'm super busog and super sleepy. Magwawash ako ng face and matutulog na ako. Good night and see you tomorrow!
Laying diamonds in a faraway island in a blissful silence. You and I can fall in love, fall in love, fall in love.
All we got is a bag in the backseat. And this love we share, not shabby at all. But the fact is, we moving too fast. But the thought passed me when I got lost inside of your eyes. Cliche to say, but too true. Picking up Danny's, you always wanted a dandy man, you did. Not a candy man, I don't sugarcoat nothing. Extra cash come in handy. Good thing we saved up extra before we ran away from home. We gotta go.
Hey guys! So this will be the end of the video. We're ready to check out. And I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, comment down below kung ano yung gusto niya na i-vlog ka next time. Ciao!